If you are a service provider or a content creator who's feeling stuck selling low-ticket offers on Etsy, this video series is for you. I know what it's like to feel overwhelmed with so much information, but not knowing what the next step is for you. I know you are working hard, you are studying, you are taking the courses, watching the videos, yet the results just aren't there. But what if you could change that? Imagine having extra money coming in every single month to use towards your savings, towards your investments, and even treat yourself to that dream vacation. Picture the relief of finally see that you are making progress towards your goals and living that lifestyle that you have always dreamed of. Hi, my name is Leticia. I was born and raised in Brazil. 5 years ago, I got married and moved to London with my husband. And let me tell you, my journey has not been just unicorns and rainbows since I moved here. In fact, I arrived in London and I couldn't even speak in English yet. I couldn't even order McDonald's without, making all the signs trying to get what I wanted. I faced countless nights worrying about if I could make it rent at the end of the month or if I was going to have one unexpected expense that I did not have the money to pay it, enduring humiliations at work, but because I didn't have another option, I just had to stay there and battling this constant fear around my finances. But you know what? I always had this fire inside me that I knew I was meant for more. Despite all setbacks, I managed to build a business from absolutely nothing. And now I wake up every day feeling so excited to share what I've learned with women just like you. I wanted to show you how you can create a business from scratch and design the lifestyle that you have been dreaming of. Because I've been in your shoes, I've been exactly where you are right now, felt the same fears, and I had to overcome the same doubts that you are having right now. And here's what I believe 100%. If someone like me could start a digital product business from scratch, working full time and in a new country, anyone can do it. In fact, I believe that you could do it and you could do it even better than me. Your unique experiences, your unique talents, and your magic, they are the secret ingredients to your success story. Alright, I'm about to share with you why digital products are the absolute bomb when it comes to making money online. Have you ever felt like your brain's a browser with way too many tabs open? Or you got a million ideas bouncing around, but you can't seem to grab one? It's like playing mental guacamole, right? Or maybe you are feeling like you are on a solo hike without a map. You just wish you had someone to tell you what to do next. Imagine the sense of clarity and confidence that comes with having a solid plan and a mentor to show you the way. Now picture this. You've laid the foundations, you've done the groundwork for your business, and one Sunday you just wake up, you check your email, and you've made a sale while you slept. That's the power of a well-executed digital product strategy. Now envision yourself booking that trip or maybe starting that investment account that has been on your list for ages. These are not far-off dreams anymore. They are tangible goals that are within your reach. And the reason why this is possible is because you took the time and you committed to learning how to lay the foundations, the groundwork, how to create and sell digital products. And that's a skill that you never thought that would be possible for you. This isn't just about making money. This is about creating freedom, flexibility, and having peace, feeling at peace at where you are. And the best part is that you actually took the time and you did it. You took that leap of faith and you proved to yourself that you are capable of much more than you ever thought. Let's talk about why digital products are a game changer. Think high profit margins. In fact, digital products can have high profit margins as high as 80 to 90%. Minimal upfront costs, and you can let your creativity run wild. And you are not limited by geography or inventory. Your digital product can reach people all across the globe, scaling your business in ways that traditional products simply can't match. And again, it's not just about making money, it's about creating something that is fun, that aligns with your values, and that makes the impact that you want to make in the world. And I get it, you are overwhelmed with options, stuck in analysis paralysis, and frustrated because you know deep inside that you have the potential to learn and to create something amazing, but you're just not sure how to do this damn thing. You might be feeling lonely as well because when you go on social media, you see everyone making progress, and it might feel like you are the only one that is not making progress towards your goals. But what if I told you that you do not have to go through these alone like I did? The vehicle to get you from where you are right now to where you want to go is a digital product offer, and you only need one. Why? Because digital products have a high profit margin, low investment to start, and give you total freedom to create something based on what you already have, your experiences, your skills, aka your zone of genius. Now I know what you are thinking: oh, I don't have the time, or I don't even have an audience or a product to start with. I'm not here to tell you that it's easy, it takes work, but if you are committed to building your future on your own terms, like I was, then it's completely worth it. I started my business whilst I was working full-time for the NHS, and even though it was really hard and some days all I could do was just go on TikTok and publish one 7-second video, the small progress that I was making each day led me to the freedom and the flexibility that I have right now. And if I could do that, so can you. I'm teaching this because I want women to have the freedom of choice and to be able to express themselves creatively. I get what you are feeling now because I've been there too, and it wasn't a long time ago. I know how it feels to start doubting ourselves, feeling like an imposter, and wonder if you are even cut out for this. And that's the reason why I'm here to guide you, because I've walked this path and I know how to get where you want to go. I've done this myself, starting from nothing with just an Etsy shop, and I've been able to make over 5,000 sales, and currently I have nearly 1,000 students going through my online courses. So I'm here to show you that this is possible for anyone. But hold up, because you can't just skip to the good part. Building an online business is just like building a house. You need a plan and you need a solid foundation. An online business is built in stages. So this is what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video series. The first stage of building an online business is mapping out your passions, aka your zone of genius, your skills, your experiences. Then you want to move to phase 2, which is actually building your audience, building your fan club. Then you're going to move to phase 3, which is where you're going to create an offer that is so irresistible that people cannot say no to. And the last phase is where you actually go and start selling, start promoting that offer to the world. Now that you understand that a digital product business is built in stages, it's time to take action. Start by brainstorming 10 money-making ideas that are based in your zone of genius, aka your passions, your experiences, your skills. My pro tip for you is to go and use ChatGPT to help you brainstorm. What you can do is to literally tell ChatGPT your skills, what are the things that you are really interested about, things that you are passionate about, and you start just adding all that. Then you can ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm some money-making ideas and things that you could create online to make money. In our next video, we're going to be diving in on how to start building an audience from scratch. You will learn some cool tricks to start building your following with Notion templates and start growing your own community. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye!